30W dual-port car charger, equipped with dual USB ports, QC3A2. 4A. Ensure you to charge two devices at full speed simultaneously with QC3. 0 speed. Intelligently identifies devices to safe charging and charges phone up to 55% charge in just 35 minutes. Fast charger 18W QC port and 12W port car charger adapter provide fast charging for Android smartphones and tablets, power banks, sports watches, etc. 3x faster on charging speed than usual car adapter, compatible with Samsung Note 9, Galaxy S10, S9, S8. Safe charging. Built-in multiple protection and intelligent circuit design will prevent the devices from overcurrent, overheating, overcharging, short circuit, cuts the power automatically when the battery fully charging. The case is made of flame retardant grade ABS material, heat resistance and chemically stable for long lasting. Compact and lightweight. The USB car charger is smaller than a credit card, portable to use and take everywhere, and perfect to plug and unplug to the most cigarette lighters. Can work with car form 12 volts to 24 volts, include cars, SUV, van, truck and so on. What you get: 30W dual port car charger 1, user manual 1, our worry-free 12-month. Our reliable customer service will be sure to reply within 24 hours and offer proper solutions for you. Top reviews from the United States. Speeds up charging my phone. Low profile 12V power supply for charging my phone in my truck. Works twice as fast as my old one. Similar to plugging into my household charger.